Good morning. We hope you're all having a good day. Do you want to show what our crazy elves did? Spider-Man got the elves. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Spider-Man. Huh? We have to leave them there today, okay? Should we also show what this crazy elf did to the advent calendar? Should we show them? We found this advent calendar and opened all of them and ate all of the chocolate. So hilarious. It's a kid's fault. They put them on the ground in the pantry. And it's like, don't mind if I do. Did you eat all of those chocolates? Did you? Yeah, just like that. I like it. Cooking up on one of these breakfast burritos I made. This is the best idea ever. I'm gonna do that again. We're almost out. Add some hard-boiled eggs for breakfast this morning. You gonna eat like a big boy? Eggs. Eggs, good. Good boy.
A box?
Yeah, it's hot. Like it's hot, so we can't touch it. Okay? How did the days go by so fast? It's like the days go by fast, and then it also gets dark so early, so then it makes it feel like the day went by even faster. Layla has Nutcracker this week. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm so excited to finally watch you. She has so many performances. She's performing for schools, and then she has the performances for the Nutcracker. So,
Yeah.
very exciting. All right, I'm gonna go do my mother-in-law's nails. Very excited about it. Oh, Layla's nails turned out so cute. We just painted her toenails. They were looking rough.
You guys probably don't want to see my dogs, but
Keep your dogs put away. All right, I will be back. Have fun at dance.
What's up, guys?
Morning.
Look at the elves.
What have you guys been up to?
Whose picture do you guys think is the best? So this is Gator's, Winston's, Finny's, and mine. I'm wearing a leotard.
Always.
I think Finny's is the best.
You do?
I think mine. I like mine.
I think they look really
I
good.
really like mine. But they stole your Sharpies.
Oh, they did. Those guys. Are you gonna color them?
Yeah. I don't want to ruin it.
Huh?
Yeah.
So let's color them tonight.
Yeah. All together. Cause
I
I
don't
don't
look like.
I don't think
Young.
you're very friendly.
That's so no.
You
don't.
look
It's
good,
so cute. It looks so good. You just look
Guys.
really young.
Guys, guess what? I can go to bed at. That's kind of what
Yeah.
you look.
I
Guys.
think yours looks like the most realistic.
I do too.
Yeah. I can go to bed at like midnight tonight because I don't have school tomorrow.
Yes. Well, you still have to get up early.
Shoot for
You
Nutcracker.
have to get up earlier. We're on our way to watch the kids at their school Christmas programs. I love Christmas programs. I love this. I'm so excited.
There's like a lot of other people.
Layla, I don't know how you do this all the time. We just finished a Nutcracker rehearsal. She got there at like 4:15. It is 9 o'clock. I'm so tired. I don't know.
We got there at
I
4:17.
don't know how you're doing it, girl. She did great. Tomorrow she's performing for the elementary school, so she'll be practicing again, and then she has a rehearsal again tomorrow night.
Guess what, guys?
It's a lot.
I'm on stage when the cannon goes off for soldiers.
She's a little scared of the cannon.
I was shaking it. I was like, and my face was like this.
Yeah, it was. But now you know what to expect, and
But my dance teacher
You'll be
said
ready.
it was fine if I did that. So.
you go again.
But the real Nutcracker.
I'm trying to remember all the snacks, all the drinks, all the things that Layla might need. She does 4 performances for the schools this morning, and then another rehearsal tonight. So much. So gotta make sure that girl has everything she needs. You will have a break in between, which is good.
I will?
Yeah. Well, in between the school performances and your rehearsal.
Oh yeah, true. So I'll have time to color with my friend and play.
To color.
Because like we're doing it at like this cool school and we get to play teacher and it's so fun.
So fun. Okay.
So fun, guys. So fun.
Okay, hop in the back, girl.
Are you serious right now?
So serious right now. Layla, with the trumpet. I just ran home for a second. Layla is still at the school, but the weather has been crazy today. There was like a storm warning. It was really windy, super rainy, so it was blowing the rain everywhere. It was blowing so hard that it actually blew down like, what are they called? Power lines. So, been crazy. So they did their first performance. Winston was actually there. It was a field trip, and they got stuck there for an extra like 30 minutes to wait out the storm, because obviously they're not gonna make kids walk to the bus and get in the bus and then try to drive the bus while it's so windy. So that was kind of fun because we got to see Winston and I got to talk to him and hang out with him for a minute.
This question for the rat queen. She's really popular.
But they had to end up canceling the second show. So I ran home. I was starving and just came home to like check on Finn and see how things were going. Now I'm heading back up there. She has one more performance and then we will be done with the performances for today. We'll have a little break. I promised we would go get a treat or a drink and then we'll be back at it. So that's what we're doing today. I'm really trying to get a vlog edited in between. I didn't upload a video yesterday because it was just crazy. I thought we would be done earlier. It was just a lot. It's been a lot. These girls are incredible. I can't imagine. I'm just amazed by them. They just dance and dance more and are ready to keep dancing. It's actually insane. So anyway, we'll head up there now. Layla did such a good job. I'm so proud of them. Last night the practice was like felt a little messy, but they were like marking things on stage. But I was like, Layla, you have to like know where you're supposed to go. Don't look around. And I was worried, but today she did awesome. She knew. These girls are just performers, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Finny, let me see it. Oh, did you color that? You did such a great job.
Guys.
I love it. Good job, buddy. Show Winston. Show Winston. Layla, you ready to go back?
Yeah, but guess what, guys?
What?
This
Oh, yeah,
girl, she let me borrow like these earwax earplugs, so I barely heard the cannon.
Nice.
But I still went like this with my, like I had my trumpet in my hand, I still went like this.
Yeah. The anticipation.
Good
Did you like watching the
job.
Nutcracker today? It was fun seeing you there.
Yeah. You guys to go up on stage and ask the rat queen a question.
Yeah, you did good. All right, we're heading back. We'll see you in a little while.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, big boy. He's like, wait, no.
No.
No. All right, we'll see you later.